Hello all, Tony here. US equity markets are set to close lower for a fourth consecutive week. Elevated energy prices from the Middle East conflict and a hawkish FOMC meeting really capped any upside in momentum in the three key US indices. While stocks did manage to pare some of those losses late in the week, the broader narrative remains one of caution while hopeful that a de-escalation in the Middle East is not too far away. Closer to home, the ASX 200 is looking at a fall of about 1.6%, on track for its third straight week of declines, with March overall looking pretty ordinary, down more than 7.5%. The index has been weighed down by global risk aversion, softer commodity prices in spots, including gold, silver, and copper. And with the Reserve Bank of Australia having hike rates again to 4.1% and sounding hawkish, local sentiment remains guarded heading into the weekend. Looking ahead to next week, it's considerably quieter than this week's central bank extravaganza. The main highlight will be inflation data out of Australia and the UK, plus the flash PMIs from the US. Beyond that, the Middle East conflict remains the primary driver for both commodity and equity markets as we push deeper into week 4 with still no end in sight. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.